phone, that's why.
Yes, I'm using a phone. I don't. Let me see if I can do it landscape. Let me see.
Or your
So
own
that I
end.
can
If
be able.
I use a landscape, it will not work now.
Okay. This particular day I can still use it on system, right?
You say?
Can I use? Can I do this in my system with
Using
laptop?
the app on your system.
Yes. Like this training now through this Telegram, I can do it on system, right?
You're still going to get the same size because I am using a
The
phone
same
for it.
size.
Yes.
Okay, that's right. Okay, no problem. At least I will jot down some things. Let me then from there.
Okay. Now, if you can see my screen very well, now this is the app. You're already familiar with this, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, these are the steps. These are the number one thing to do is first of all activate your device notification. You come here, click on this
Okay.
device notification. That's the first thing you need to do. Device notification simply
Device
means
notification.
it simply means it's like it's echoing. Why is it echoing?
Maybe I think it's network.
Okay. So device notification. What is device notification? Is a form is an automated message that helps you to that reminds you if you actually set a particular setup in the app it will remind you and notify you that what you've done has been achieved. Then it will just send you as alert a device notification. Then we still have SMS notification. So I'm going to explain those two things for you. So once you understand how it works, you can do everything. So the first thing for us is to activate our device notification. If you're using Android, if you're using iPhone, you'll be able to get a notification without stress. So I'm going to click on it now. Once I click on it, you see activate notification. First thing for you, click on activate notification. Then once you're done with that, you can download the app here, but you already have the app already. So we're going to start with one.
I have the app. Yes,
Yeah.
I have the app. Then I have, I think I've done this one you are talking about now because in my Google Chrome here, it's saying device connected. Welcome to automated trading.
Okay, you've done that. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Fine. That means you watched the YouTube video I recently posted.
I told you, I watch everything. I watch it like 2 times. Yes, that particular one.
Okay.
The only one that I've not, the only one I've not achieved is the SMS one. Though I went through it, but they didn't send me any message. As in,
okay,
yes.
If they did not send you message, the problem is not from us because it might be from your network provider. So maybe your number is on D&D and all that. You understand? So you have to. If your number is on D&D, you will not be able to receive it. So if this one is working for you now, since you've received the welcome message, there's no need for you for SMS because SMS they will charge you. Why this one is free? This one is coming from our server. You understand? So there's no need for that. You understand?
Yes,
so
no problem.
that's that. But because I want to post this video, I want to do everything.
Go through it. So, no problem.
Yes, so that I'll be able to post it for others to get it. So we're going to start with 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So 1, 2, and 3. I'll click here. Click yes. Once I click yes, my phone will generate a token for me. Then I'll click check notification to see if actually gotten a token. You see something like this. So whereby you're not seeing anything like this, you're going to be seeing 0. That means maybe your Chrome browser, you disabled notification. All you need to do, go to your Chrome browser, enable notification, then repeat the same process. You get this. So once you're done, instead of you clicking that next button, instead of you clicking this, once you're done, instead of you clicking test, if you click test, you might get that welcome notification. But if it's not, you're not getting it, just click back, go back to that notification menu, click here, click on test notification. You'll see a different page. You just copy this URL, copy this guy here, copy this one, everything here, copy it, close this browser, this app that I'm using, use a different phone entirely. Use a different phone, copy this URL, paste it on a different phone there. You see a page, a different phone from where your app is. And before that, you must have closed this app on your current phone. Once you copy this, go to that other phone, paste this URL, just send it via WhatsApp, send it to your other phone or any person's or your friend's phone. Just put it there. Put your email address there, click test. Once you click test, you'll be able to get a welcome message that is telling your app is connected and all that. So once you're done with that, that means you can be receiving device notification. So that's that for that. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the SMS. We have this SMS here. This SMS is for forex traders. What you subscribe for is for synthetic. So you may not have access to this menu here. But because of this training, let me just show you everything. So this is for the forex. Why this is for synthetic SMS? Look at it, set SMS. This is for synthetic. So the forex one is a little bit detailed. So you're good. They are the same thing, but a little bit detailed. So just click it. Click on setup. Once you click on setup, you must have done this. Click on this. Add your number. Just put your number 234. Just put your number. If you're in Nigeria, put your number. Click on this. It will automatically tell my account is already connected already. So the next thing, once it show you that, you click on test. Yeah, test. Once you click on test, if you receive a message, that means your phone, your number will be able to receive SMS from us, just like mine now. It just told me, Bekenet Joseph. Hello, Bekenet Joseph. You are connected to Bekenet server. Its SMS costs 0.014 cents. So my number has been receiving SMS, just like all these signal have been receiving via SMS from my number. So, but if you do not receive all this, that means your phone, your number is not available for SMS service, for online SMS service. So maybe it's on D&D. You just have to call them to remove it. So once they remove it, it's not going to be effective instantly. Maybe it can take 1 week or 3 days before it will start working. But once they remove it, everything will be fine. So the next thing, once you're done with this now, once you're done with, you go back again to this setup, click on set alert. For this, for the forex, so set alert. Synthetic crypto, they are straightforward. This for forex. You click on set alert to select advanced key level. You just come here, you load, click, just select advanced key level. This one, advanced key level. Let me go back again. Select advanced key level. Then you click connect. Once you click connect, your app is now connected to a system called advanced key level, so that you can set your smash 100. You'll be able to receive alert and all that. So I'll click it. The next thing I might just come and test if actually I'm connected to advanced key level. If I'm connected, I'm supposed to get a message. As you can see, I've gotten a message now telling me, let me say, hello, Bekenet Joseph, you are connected to advanced key level. So my SMS number 1 is connected. Then I've channeled my notification to a particular portal, which is what the advanced key level. So everything about the forex has been settled. So then from there, from my smash 100, I can come here and start setting my alert. For my smash 100, I can come here and start setting my alert. So since we are into forex, we are doing forex. We are doing synthetic. Let me go to synthetic straight. I'm going to click this. So as you can see, on synthetic, we'll have a lot of function, trend direction, overall trend direction, sniper entry, and so many things. But what I want you to focus on, leave all these things first. Make money first before we come to all those ones. You understand? What I want you to focus on is only this guy, these 2 things. Finish. Only these 2 things. Then how to set our SMS alert. Yes. Just let me just outline it. Just these 2.
The 2 things is I'm not seeing it very well. Yeah. The 2 things you mentioned is this smash 100?
Yeah, you smash 100, chart, set SMS alert, signal alert, and alert history. Those are the things we're going to focus on.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'm recording it, but still write down. So in case
I know I'm writing. Yes.
I'll still send it to you. So these are the 5 things we're focusing on. So number 1 now, before we start, let's set our SMS alert. Set SMS alert. The same procedure with the first one we did. You understand? Just click. I'll put my number 234. You don't need to put plus, so 234. Let me just put a random number. I've already connected before. It will tell me connected, so I'll need to click here. Click test. Once I click test, it will tell me connected. So I'm supposed to receive an SMS. As you can see, I've received another SMS again. Welcome to blah blah blah. Just like that, the same way. Then I am done with my connection. You can check your balance. Check your balance. Immediately you subscribe, we'll give everybody $2 each from your subscription. So once that $2 expires, once that you exhaust that, as you can see, I have $19 to pay to MTN. I'm using MTN. So once that $2 we are giving to you expire, you have to fund your wallet to make payment for that. But for now, if you go to this place, set this thing, and it's working, we're paying $2 for you, and that $2 can carry you for about 144 SMS before it will get exhausted.
Exhausted. Okay.
So that's that. Yes, okay. 100. But for now, you're not paying for this. It has covered your subscription, and we've credited you automatically if you do all this and check your balance. You understand? That's it. Just it. So the next thing, we are done with this. We're done with that. Let's move back to the synthetic. So we are done with the SMS alert. We don't have any business there again. We're done with that. So the most important thing are, how do we hustle for opportunities? That is what we call the smash 100.
100. Okay.
The smash 100. Very, very simple. So I'm going to click on it. Once I click on this smash 100, you're going to see this page. Are you seeing this page? You're going to see select and click. I'm going to click the blue icon. From there, underneath the blue icon, you're going to be seeing a drop down. This is a drop down that contains all the whole pairs in synthetic. All the whole pairs in synthetic. All I need is just tap and select any of the pair that I want. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 17 volatility pairs here. So you have a lot of pairs to hustle from. So the first one, I'm going to pick any random one to check if there is a setup. So I'll click, look at it. Let me do it again. Just select any pair. Select this. It will show you.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah.
The pair you are selecting. Okay, you are going to run them 1-1. It's not that you are going to highlight 1, 2, 3, and then the system
it's
will generate
1-1.
signals.
So once
it's 1-1.
Yes, once anyone I click, the system will help me analyze and tell me if there is a signal or not. Those are the things I want to show you. So I'm going to select. I'm going to select step index 200. Once I click it, it will tell me, okay, step index 200. Okay, I'll okay it. Another message will come again. Step index 200 loading advanced key level. I'll click okay again. Underneath it, it will now give me detailed information about what?
About the pair.
Index. Yes. So this is where now there are only two things I need to look out for. Okay. I'm going to look up for the trend direction and the numbers of candle. Just these two things. Just leave every other thing here. Every other thing. Apart from this, since you're in Nigeria, always look at this time here. Is always 1 hour ahead of us. You understand? It's always 1 hour ahead. As you can see, it's 10 o'clock now, but my time here is 8:58, just 2 minutes to 9. So once you get to 9 now, that means it's 1 hour ahead of us. So always check this. So if this time is 3 hours ahead or 5 hours below, that means your app is not synchronizing. All you need to do, click on this update, click update app. Once you click on this update app, it will update everything automatically. You understand? It will update it for you without stress. Yes, you see, update it to the current time that it is. That's how it is. So this one is just normal for you to check if actually the system is actually updating. Why this price you're seeing is the current price that is on your MT5. The current price that is on your MT5 on this pair. That's what it will be showing. As you can see, it's changing from 7 to 9, from this to this. You see it's changing. So that means it's connected to the server. Your app is connected to the server. So if to the server. So if that is settled, how are we going to get a signal from this setup that with this smash 100? First thing you need to focus is trend direction, numbers of what? Candles. Trend direction and numbers of candles. Trend direction and numbers of candles. So what your eyes you should be looking out for on the trend direction, we are expected to see up move, or if we are not seeing up move, we are seeing down move. Up move simply means that the software is telling us that this thing is buying. It's buying now. If we see down move, it's telling us that this thing is selling. This particular pair is selling. But we cannot just take because it's telling us up move or down move, we just enter into the market. We'll come here and look at the numbers of candle. These numbers of candle represent the hours. Yes, the number of candle represent the hours.
The hours.
Or the time that buy move started. Yes, the hours of the number of duration that buy move started. So if it's showing us up move, it's showing us up move, and numbers of candle is currently showing us 12. That means this thing has been up for more than 13 hours because you add the 0 to it for more than 13 hours. If it shows us down move, that means this price has been on a downtrend for more than 13 hours. So how do we take advantage of this? Currently now we are seeing up move and we are seeing candle 13 move. That means this thing has been buying since in the midnight. So had it been, we spotted it when it was candle was 0, 1, and 2, and we saw up move, we'll take our buy. So if we see up move and numbers of candles is in the range of 0, 1, and 2, we can take a buy. But if it's above 3, we cannot do anything again. That means price has gone far. So what we should be looking at for, if it's up move or down move, numbers of candles should be in the range of 0, 1, and 2. Will be fine. But for now, the price is already, the candle is already 12. We cannot do nothing.
Do anything.
We can't take a trade. But there's a way we can still take a trade if we are going in the pro aspect. But I don't want to cluster, add so many things to your head. Just focus on this. What you're looking at for up move. Okay, this is up move. Numbers of candles. You expected, yes, trend direction. You expected to see 0, 1, or 2. If you are not seeing 0, 1, or 2, leave it. Search for another pair. Yes, search for another pair. So if we are seeing uptrend, that means it's a up move. That means we are expected to buy. The numbers of candle is what? 0, 1, or 2. So if it's 0, we buy. If it's 1, we buy. If it's 2, we buy. Do you understand? Yes. So now let's look for a downtrend again. Let's look for a downtrend. I'll click step 500. Let's see the direction is going. As you can see, step 500 is telling us trend direction is down move. Numbers of candle is currently 23. If you check your app, now these things are real. Price, if you count back to 24 hours ago, using 1 hour time frame, you see that step 500 is actually selling crazily. So that's how it is. It's selling massively. So had it been we spotted it when the trend direction is down and numbers of candles is between 0, 1, and 2, we take our sell quietly. Do you understand?
Yes.
So do you understand the concept now? How to generate signal?
Yes,
please,
I understand this one.
Let me hear it from you.
Yes, I understand this one now.
Rephrase it. Let me hear it.
I say I understand. That's the
I'm asking
you. The trend direction.
I'm asking you. Okay.
Yes, from the smash 100. Once you click it, and then there are two things you look at. One is the trend direction, and then number of candles.
Okay.
So if the trend direction is showing us up move, then we look at the number of candles. If it's between 0, 1, and 2, then we take our trade from there. But if it's above, if it has gotten from 3 to maybe 5, 6, 10, then we do nothing and then look for another pair that falls within that number of candle, which is 0, 1, and 2.
Very, very, very good. I'm glad you got it. So now that is the first stage. Now we've already known that we are buying. Let's use this for instance. We are selling. Step 500 has already given us the direction. Let's assume we are seeing 0 candle. We are selling. The next thing, we don't rush into the MT5 to go and sell. There's what we call the inbuilt chart. That inbuilt chart will help us to know if actually we are close to a resistance or we are close to a support. If we are close to a support, we cannot sell. If we are close to a resistance, we cannot buy. Because if we are selling, we have to sell. There should be a space from where we are to a support. If we are buying, there should be a space from where the candle is towards a resistance. So there's a space for us to meet up. But if it's close to a resistance and it's telling us to buy, run for your dear life. We cannot buy. If it's close to a support and it's telling you to sell, run for your dear life. You cannot sell because there are two things involved there. We don't trade, like we don't gamble here. If it's not real, if it's not, if the how am I going to put that? If the winning rate is not on our side, if it's not up to 80%, we are not taking that trade. Because immediately once price gets to a support level, is now a 50-50. It's either I break that support or it bounces off. So we don't want to take that chance. We don't want to take it at all. So now let's assume now that this step 500 is a down move and is currently a down move and numbers of candles is just 0. So now let's go back now. You see back here, click back to home, go back to synthetic, go back to synthetic. click on chart. Look at it, this chart here. Click on chart.
Okay.
Just click on chart. Okay. It will now load me the synthetic chart. What I am going to see now, I'm going to see a pair here. These are the whole pair. I'll select step 500. I'll click load. You see something they wrote load. Okay. You will see once you click that load, I'll be able to see the name of the pair at the top here. The next thing, all I need to do is what? Hold on. All I need to do is to click settings. Once I click settings, you see another menu appear. The only thing you need to focus on, which is what I do, is the WL. WL is a weekly key level. We have the daily key level. We have the previous key level. You can play around with it to wonder. If you are a good trader, you can play around with it. But what I use is what the WL, which is a weekly key level. Yes. So I'm just going to tap it. I'll tap it and see what is actually happening. As you can see, now, if you look at this candle, let me zoom it a little bit. This is a daily candle. Do you see it? This is a daily candle. So price started from this bottom here when it told us to sell. So price has already gotten close. That 23 candle is showing us. Price has already gotten close to the support level. As you can see, it's bouncing back again. So had it been we entered into the market when it was zero candle, we'll use this red line that we are seeing, this one here, as our take profit. But unfortunately for us, it couldn't get to that take profit. But before then, you must have made good profit already. We exit from the market. So how do we take this trade now? Now, can you say it? Are you saying it?
Yes.
Okay, now let's remove this weak candle. Let's remove it. Just imagine that there's nothing here in this weak candle you're seeing here. So we're only having this green candle here.
This green,
and there's a space. Yes, there's a space from here to here, and the system tells us to say we are going to take that set because there's a space. Before this thing happened, the candle was here, was currently here. Yes. So it's because we are seeing this week now. That means the price got to this level before it now move back because it's already close to support. That's why.
Yes, that means the volume has moved up after it hits this support.
Yes, I've moved up. So that's how it is. So it sold for over 20-something hours and got to this level. We cannot take a trade again. Let's rewind back. That when we saw this candle, it was here. And it's telling us zero move, down move. We are going to sell because there's a space from here to this
for you to sell to. Okay.
Yes. Then we can use it as our take profit, then put our stop loss above the resistance, the support level. Yes. Simple as ABCD. We're going to use another one as an example. Let's assume now, let's just assume now that the system now told us by up move. We'll come to up move zero candle. We cannot take this trade because it's already close to another level. Yes, it's very close to the current candle. Here's the current candle. It's very close to this level. We cannot take that trade. So one level to another level is your trading zone, or we call it a free zone. Those are the place price tend to move to from one level to another. And we don't put our stop loss inside two zone. We'll put our stop loss outside
the zone. The
zone, yes, outside the zone. So that even if price wants to hit up, let it break this resistance or support first before it will touch us. So it's very difficult for it. Yes, so that's how it is. So let's take another example again and see. Let's take another example. Let's select step 200, which is what's telling us buy. So let's see what's up with it. So click this. We'll click this, click that, W2 is loaded. So let's assume, because it told us it should be 11 or 13 candles. So meaning if it tells us 11 or 13 candles, before all this move now, the price was currently on top of what? A resistance. If it's on top of a resistance, that means it's telling us we are heading to this next resistance level. So we can take it level. Yes, because there's a space to where we are going to. Yes, like I said, one key level to another key level, they are zones. These are the places price tend to move to. They move from one zone to the other. So if we see this kind of a thing and the software tells us to buy, and there's a space from where it is to this one, we'll buy. We'll move on. And put our SL below the next level. We'll put our SL below the next level, which is this green line. So how do we get the price of all this level? Just tap it. Once you tap it, I'm tapping it now. You see it. It will write weekly key level R1, weekly key level resistance 3. Just tap it. You see the price there, so that you can use it as a stop loss and take profit. Just tap. Just tap. Now this pink line, the middle line, you don't have anything to do with it. What you should focus on is the green and the red.
And the red.
The green and the red. Yeah. This same principle applies with forex and synthetic and crypto. The same principle. Yes, the same principle. That same smash 100, the way I explained it to you, that's the way you still get it for forex. Once you get your signal, the same up move, then zero candle and all that, the same principle for all of them. Do you understand? So that's how it is.
Yes.
So we use this inbuilt chart to filter out the trade so that we will not get stuck when price is close to a resistance or when price is close to a support. So it helps us filter out the trade very, very well before we take a trade. So I want you to observe this trade. Observe this guy here. Maybe before the day will run out or tomorrow, you see that price has gotten to this level. That's how it works. So price move from zone to zone. Price move from zone to zone. Then observe it, then start taking your trade little by little. Then before then, I will take you to the Telegram channel and show you how to reduce your lot size to the lowest minimum. So what is the equity you're using?
Okay, for now, I think what I have, there's this account I have with Jerry. You know, I was trading it, but I think I have $110 there right now.
Okay, you have $110. So now let me take you to the sniper. Everything that you need to know, I've told you. This is what you need to get that same result that you're seeing. Because it's Smash 100, the AI is using, everybody is using. So now let me go to my Telegram channel. Okay. The sniper group, I added you to it. Let me take you there. At least you've seen about you are the number 215 persons there. I believe you've seen it. Number 215 persons. All of them are. Yes, you made the number. All of them are using this software there. So you can comment, chat, talk to anybody, post your histories and all that. You see, people are just posting what they are doing. This is my own. This is my forex trade. I told them I am still holding. This is the profit I've closed so far. This guy is using a prop firm. You understand? Look at what he wrote. So if you are not making profit, post it here. If you are having challenges, post it here. Anything, post it. If you don't understand anything that is happening, post it here. Yes, people will correct you. Look at signals people are dropping here. You said this volatile 50 up move, down move with an inbuilt chart. You must not be posting signals here. It's only when you're confused or you want to share anything you want to share. You post it.
You don't understand.
Yes, post it. People will guide you. There are people who have been here for more than 1 year, and so they will guide you and tell you what to do. Just go through, ask questions. If they don't respond, that's where I will come in. You understand? If nobody responds, then I will come in. But apart from that, we have people who can answer your question and anything you're going through, any challenge at all. If your app is not working, post it here. My app is not working. Somebody will call me or get my attention. Then we'll look at what is going on. So any challenge you're having here, drop it here. Drop it. If you're not making money or you took a trade and you lost, drop it here so that we can investigate and know what is going on. Do you understand? So that's how it is. So we're 100% transparent. So if you log in, if you join that Telegram chat, that channel, the sniper group, you see all these menus here. These are all the training videos. You see all these training videos. You see all these things here. Training video. You can still go through them. The same thing you've watched. Maybe you forgot something. You can remind yourself on this. But the reason why I brought you to this place, there's what we call a video that can help us reduce a lot size in synthetic. Because your equity is not much. Look at where you go to now. Yes, your equity is not much because volatility is very volatile. It's a volatile pair. So you need enough money to achieve this same result that we're having here. You need enough money. So click on this place
later
on the group chat. And I'm just showing you. Click on this place now. Videos. Click on videos. You will see how to reduce. Look at it. How to reduce a lot size lower than the default one. They even give you a default lowest lot size. But if you watch this video, you know how to reduce it to the lowest lot size. Let's say, for instance, if you are risking 80 pips because you're using the default lot size, that 80 pips will be like, as your stop loss will be like $80. and you don't want to use 80% of your account to trade. If you reduce that lot size to the lowest minimum, you'll be risking like 8% of your account, which is like $8 from that your $100. Yes, and you will make guarantee, you will make good money when you reduce it to the lowest loss and with confidence. Open one position at the time. We don't stack. I stack because I have enough equity. I have enough equity. I don't stack with synthetic because my equity there is not up to $1,000. I don't stack. But for forex, I can open like 30 position at once. No shaking on that. But synthetic, one position at the time, one position at a time. So please don't stack. You will make money even if you're using the lowest lot size. If you're making $10, $20, you will be fine based on your equity. Yes, based on your equity. So you're having $100 for you to have peace of mind. Watch this video and reduce your lot size to the lowest minimum. The pair that is not allowing you to reduce your lot size, ignore it. Look for the one that is you'll be able to reduce your lot size to the lowest minimum. So with time, you start increasing it as your equity is increasing. So what are the things that is going to make you not to make money with this app? Number one is greed. Don't use big lot size. But we've sorted it now. Learn how to reduce your lot size with that small $100 that you have. Learn to reduce your lot size. Number two, follow the rules. Hold your trade, even if you're having a drawdown. We don't just close trade. We don't close trade. We only close trade if the trade hits SL. And before we enter a trade, we've already made up our mind. If this trade hits SL, I'm losing X amount of money. That's the essence of stop loss. So that's the more reason why you need to use this. Learn how to reduce your lot size so that yes, you can reduce it to the lowest minimum. You must not risk more than 10% of your account. So meaning that even if you want to lose, it's going to be $10 max. If you're going to lose at all, yes, it's going to be $10 at once. Then you still have $90 to trade. Before you do it maybe 3 times, the remaining 7 times you have regained your profit. It can be $4, it can be $5, it can be $10. You regain your profit. Simple as ABC. So if you follow all this, you'll be testifying as all those that are in the platform are testifying.
Definitely, I will.
Yes, just follow the rule. Don't allow greed because you don't have enough equity. You understand? If you have like $500, you don't need all this. If you have like $500 above, you don't need all the. You can maybe you want to apply straight risk management. So you watch this and you watch this, you'll be fine. So the next thing now, we've done how to check this.
I want to ask a question. You mentioned that there are some pairs you will use after watching this video. There are some pairs in synthetic that are not too volatile or something like that. I don't know.
No. I didn't say not too volatile. I said some pairs that will not allow you to reduce their lot size to the lowest minimum. So if you find out those ones, yes, some maybe 1 or 2. I can't remember. They posted it one time ago. So if you find those ones, avoid them. Avoid them. Don't trade them until you have enough equity. You understand that the purpose of this is to reduce our risk to like 8% of our accounts. You understand? 8% to 10%, you'll be fine. So that's that. So now what we've done so far, we've learned how to do it manually. What if we are busy? We just want to receive a notification and tell us this is up move 0 candle before we take our trade. So now let's move back. Since your notification is working, go back to the synthetic. Click on set alerts. Look at it. Abi signal alert. Click on signal alert. Click on signal alert. I'm going to click on signal alert. It will take me to a page. Once it takes me to a page, you click this one. Click to set alert. Just select load all the pairs that you want. I can load. I've not traded synthetic this week. So let me load my account. I'll load this. This is free. It does not charge you. I'll click load. Let me load all. I'll load. Let me load. Just load them. Once you load them, if the system will start searching for 0 candle up move for you, up move or down move, any of this pair that you've loaded. So immediately you get it, it will now notify you, send you SMS notification or device notification, that this is 0 candle up move. Then you now move to your input chart, or you confirm it directly from the Smash 100 if everything is telling you they are corresponding. Then before you now move to your Smash 100 and start doing your inbuilt chart and check if it's close to a resistance or support. Then you take your trade. Simple as that. And always be careful. Now I've loaded it. Always be careful. Check your lot size very well before you take your trade. On your MT5, those are little mistakes. So if you're in a place that you cannot concentrate, don't take that trade. Because one mistake, instead of you typing 0.01, you might end up typing 0.10. Do you understand? With that, mistake has come.
Which is very high.
You understand?
Yes.
Yeah, very high. So always be, once you carry your phone that you want to trade, nobody, your children, your wife, nobody should distract you. That 3 minutes you want to sacrifice to open your trade, be very, very careful, because any mistake is gone. You understand? You have to be very careful. So now that we've loaded our pairs, how do we say if we've loaded it already? Just click alert history. So I'm going to click alert history. So you see the pair I've loaded so far. So I have like 11 pairs that the app is watching for me now. So if there's any signal on this that is showing up move 0 candle 1 or 2, it will notify me. So immediately notify me, it will delete it out of it. Then do it like that, do that. So you can delete any pair that you want, anyone that you don't want to get signal from, you can delete it and you can add it. So that is everything about the app. And what else again? The affiliate. If you have people who are losing money too, when you are started making money,
you can refer them.
Yeah, refer them. We'll give you 15% commission. Just click on this affiliate. You copy your affiliate link. Click proceed. Click here. You just see your affiliate link. Once you click it, you refer them. So once they sign up and they subscribe, we'll give you 15% commission. Yourself. So once they start subscribing, so we are making money, because once they make money, they will come back and subscribe, make money, come back and subscribe. You that refer them, you keep on giving you 15% commission. So that's another side hustle in the app. You understand? So that currently now we have over 1,447 persons who signed up under me.
For affiliate.
You understand? Yes, on the affiliate. So let me show you something. If all of them subscribe, this is going to be, if all of them are subscribing monthly, this is going to be my commission every month, 7,854. If all these 1,000 persons are subscribing daily, and not all of them, as you can see on my Telegram channel, we have over 215 persons out of these 1,000 persons that have subscribed. So if all of them are subscribing, this is my estimate that I'm going to be getting. So that's how it is. So you can be making cool money from subscription base and still be making money from the software. So that's that. That's everything you need to know for now. You understand? So you need to try out those ones. Then I go. The same thing happens with crypto. You can see trade crypto is free of charge. They say you don't need to pay anything for crypto. You can have access to it. So your deriv, you can still use it to trade crypto. The same way Smash 100, look for your setup and all that, follow the same principle, you put your lot size and all that. So that is everything you need to know about the software for now, for the synthetic aspect. So just go follow, apply the rules, everything I've taught you. At the end of the, before Friday, before Sunday, you're supposed to be giving testimonies, showing me your results and all that. If you follow the rules, you understand. Risk only 10% by reducing your lot size to the lowest minimum, you are going to be fine. Trust me on that. Let me show you something before we move, so that you gain more confidence. Because this pay as you go is an AI that used the exact thing that I'm showing you now. Everything I taught you now, that's what we taught the AI. So let's move to the synthetic and see how accurate it is. So I'm going to click on synthetic past history. Synthetic past history. Look at what he has done so far. This is from last month till date. So if you follow the same rules, look at, he only hits 2 SL, 2 stop loss. He has won 41 trades. Take profit, and all these take profit are key levels. You have to be patient for them to manifest. They are key level, and all the people that took the trade, he will write their name there. Look at their name. This is a trader that he take profit. This is me here. This is another trader. Those are the people who are using pay as you go, because the AI will record their name to their winnings. If you say winnings, you see this one lost. Let's see the person that lost is me. Now me lose for it, because they load all the whole pairs. You understand? I'm the loading audio pairs. Let's say look for another person that lost too. Another person that lost. Let's say it's supposed to be me too. Now me again is me. So all the other persons here, they all won because they are selecting their pairs to trade. So the only people that lost in this synthetic is only me because I'm trading all of them. Do you understand? You can go back and verify all these things yourself. At the same time, you can still go to the pay as you go. You can select filter it by dates. You can check. Let's check. Try this week if actually they've made money or not. So I can come here, click by date. So what is today's date? This month, this week started from on Sunday, which is 11. So I'm going to click on the 15. Let's see the winnings and the losses that has happened, because all these things are coming from Smash 100. So if the AI is making profit from Smash 100, any person that is using the Smash 100 is supposed to be making profit. Yes. Because they are all applying the same way. So let's search and see how far this week, if there's any profit. Look at it. 21 hits take profit. Yes. And this stop loss, now me see the chop this stop loss. So it's going to write out the name of the people again. Yeah, you see the name of the people. Let's look for this SL that hits this week. Now, Mr. Chopam, look at my name here, Joseph. So every person that are here that took this setup, all this per step 200 and all those stuff, hit take profit by hitting the key level take profit. You say so you have to build confidence in it, even if you are having a drawdown. Relax yourself. You're still going to win at the end of the day. So that's the more reason why you need to reduce your lot size to the lowest minimum so that you will not panic at all. That's the idea. The same thing with the forex aspect. Now, the reason why we had a lot of too many SL in forex, let me click it, is because of news and all those stuff. As you can see, 878 hits take profit, 30 losses. Do you understand? But the reason why we have the winning rates in synthetic very high, because there is no news. If he's buying, he's buying. If he's selling, he's selling. But forex, if he's buying, news will want, CPI will want to come and take out people and all that. But before all this stop loss would have hit, you must have seen a little profit or break even. But this AI does not break even, does not do anything. We program it in such a way, if you are not hitting stop loss, you must hit take profit. If you are not hitting take profit, you will hit stop loss. So if the price did not hit take profit and a reverse back after too many profit, I reverse back and hit stop loss, it will record it here. That doesn't mean all these trades that hit stop loss did not see profit. There are profit in them, but just that it did not hit that take profit.
Yes, but if you look at it and you have made some profit from it, you can close it manually if you want, right?
Yes, on your own trade, but not on this platform. Yes, you close. If you see profit, you close yourself. So this one is just a way to tell you that the system is working. You can trust it. Working. The system is working. Yes, because it's real data. Every person here, they are using their names are here. Everything is there for you to build that confidence that it is working. So that's the reason why I just showed you this. So that's how it is. So all you need to do, just follow the rules. Once you follow the rules, you're going to be fine. So we are done for the training. So anything, other thing you're confused about, drop it on that platform. Anything at all, any wahala at all you get, app is not opening. Anything that you're finding it difficult, drop it there. Will help you solve it on that platform. Okay.
Okay. I will do that. Okay. I want to ask, this software, are you the one that designed it?
Yes, I own a company that builds software. So we build software, we build school management software, hospital software. Currently in Delta State, we are the one providing school management software for all the top schools in Delta State to generate their result and school fees and all those stuff. So as a forex trader, I know everything about forex. But just that I was not profitable, we decided to build an app that is going to help me personally. Immediately I saw it that it was making profit, I had to monetize it and bring it out to the public.
Okay. But you are a Nigerian, right? So
this app has been running for 1 year and 8 months now. So 1 year and 8 months. So that's when this app has been running. So that's just. Yes, I'm in Nigerian, Delta, from Bomadi.
Okay, you are from Delta. Okay, Bomadi side. Okay. Okay.
So
Okay,
that's
no problem. I will just go through, familiarize myself with it, again. Then, if there's any challenge, I will post it in the group, or I chat you directly. Hello.
you can
Hello.
start with demo so that you correct your mistakes. Anything you're not
Yes.
finding, maybe demo for 1 day or 2 days. Then once you
Yes,
go
I
in,
will.
I say you can start with a demo.
Yes,
Can
yes,
you
I
hear
have.
me?
I have it. I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. Can you
I
hear
said
me?
you can start with a demo. Just do demo,
Yes.
so that you
Yes.
use it to do all the corrections.
Yes.
Yes,
I will. I
yes,
will do
just
that.
do all
I
the
will familiar at
corrections.
least
How to
from now
reduce?
till
Yes, yes, yes.
from
I
now
can
till
hear
this
you.
weekend.
How to reduce your lot size and all this stuff. Then before you go to
Yes,
your
I
live
will. I will
account.
try
Yeah.
it there
So
so that I will
before Sunday.
familiarize myself with it. Hello.
Yeah.
So I will do that so
So
I
if you
can
have any
get
challenge,
familiarized with it. No
all
problem.
right. We
No
are done.
problem.
We are done for today.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. So you record it and then you post now,
I
right?
say we are done. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
All right, sir. Let me
All
save
right.
it.